Hi everyone, this is Flora from SkyMart. We are an exporter of construction machinery for 16 years. Today I come to SUNWARD factory and want to introduce a popular model of rotary drilling rig. Let's go and have a look. This is SWDM240, one of the most popular rotary drilling rig of SUNWARD. Look at the rotary drilling rig. Its max drilling diameter is 2000 mm and the max drilling depth reaches 69 meter. Look at crawler. The crawler wise is 800 mm and the crawler wise is 5755 mm. This rotary drilling rig chassis is widened and thickened to make it the strongest in the industry. The turnable 1.8 meters in diameter is wider and more stable than the others. The SWDM240 rotary drilling rig has strong stability and adopts a new heavy-duty chassis design and hydraulic telescopic leg technology, providing good stability and anti-overturning performance, and is suitable for various geological conditions and working environments. The radiator provides independent heat dissipation, which is lower than the heat dissipation of the same brand by 10 degrees. It is equipped with Cummins engine. Its power is 296 kilowatts. Okay, that's all for today's sharing. Welcome to inquire more information about our machine, and I will give you the best price and support. Bye!